Right, what are we open today, Mia?
The 85-watt MagSafe power adapter.
MagSafe power adapter.
Right, whatever.
And it's for the what? MacBook Pro?
Yep.
15-inch laptop, which we opened the other day.
Yes. You might have seen it recently.
Hold the box up. Yep, turn around. Just watch that knife. Yep, looking good. Okay, do you want to start opening there? Careful now.
Mummy in the corner's laughing her head off, you know.
Huh?
Mummy in the corner is laughing her head off.
Right. Packaging feel good?
Yep. Right, can I open it? How do you open it? Right, you tilt it out the sides or something?
You push it through. Push. Yeah. That's it. There you go. Very good. That's it then, isn't it?
Oh, something fell out of it. Oh, this bit here.
Alright. So what do you get? You get
There is
the
this.
brick. The brick.
The brick. The adapter itself. The cable for the adapter itself.
Oh yes, that just plugs
Which
in.
just, how do you plug that? Oh yeah, I know what to do. Which just nicely
No. That plugs.
plug it in.
No, that plugs into that.
Okay. You just simply screw this down. Slide it in.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a creation from Apple, not Dell, not a HP, an Apple.
Very good. Okay, is that it? Over and out?
Yep.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Night night.
And then I